Hello, how do I place an order for swing trading? This morning when we are doing our stock analysis, there was a stock we placed an order to purchase yesterday, but the order didn't go through. So early this morning, before the market opens around 6 in the morning, I placed an order for that, and today I'm off, and I thought to share the process with you because usually I trade around noon. So early in the morning I went into the account and placed the order for that stock, but before I checked the chart for that stocks, and I knew that that order didn't go through, and it is COR. So when you, because we use chart swap for our investment, so I went in the account and go through trade or research page, put that COR symbol in, and you can see here we have the price at closing yesterday was 248.45, but there is pre-market. So that means earlier this morning the market was open for investors or traders that traded before the market official opening, and the price at that time was 247.12, but at closing it was 248. For the market closed yesterday at 248.45. So we are going to place the order. So you click on that buy button, and on the right side we have the window that open for us to place our order. So I like to place the order using the price that the stock is selling at that current moment, which is 247.12. we have the bid price 220 a share, and we have the ask price 259. In the past I have used the lesser of those two between the bid, the ask, and the price the stock is selling. I use the smaller of those three prices that you are seeing at the top there where I'm trading to place the order to buy. I want to buy at this lowest price of between those three, but what happens is it may not go through if the price does not get that low during the day. For that reason, if I want to place the order, since I'm swing trading, I'm not investing in dividend stocks, for instance, like for a longer time frame, I want that order to go through. I like to put the order that the price that the stock is selling at that moment, which is $247.12. So I place the order for 10 share and just let it go through. So when the markets open, if the price goes down to 247.12, just what will purchase those shares for us. So I went ahead and I highlighted that stocks on our watch list. And since I'm off today and the market is open around noon, I went back inside the account to do our daily swing trade. And this is our swing trading strategy that we are going to use. A minimum a profit $25 will sell it. So we are in the account around noon, and that's what I like to do during my swing trading. During the day around noon, I'll go inside the account and I'll scroll through the account positions. That means the portfolio, the stocks available in the account that we purchased, we have not sold yet. I like to go through them to see if any of them has unrealized profit of $25 or more, and then I will analyze the chart for those stocks to see where they are, the price bar, and we use daily chart to swing trade. And on my the time frame is 1 year. 1 year can well be displayed on my screen for me to see 1 year fluctuation of the price. So I will decide if I want to sell that stocks that, based on whether it has 3 green consecutive days of going up, or if you reach that $25 minimum profit targets. And in this case, we have BKNG that was positive, and we bought it for trading. There are stocks in the account that we bought for dividend income purposes, and we have stocks we purchased for swing trading purposes as well. BKNG is a swing trading stocks in the account. So we place the order to sell it. So for placing the order, we click on sell all, and we have it. You make sure you are in the right account, and at the top, between the ask, the bid, and that price that the stock is selling, we put the price the stock is selling, which is 5,208.16. Because we allocate about 2,000 per trade, this particular stocks is well over 2,000 a share. Therefore, we just buy one share. So we place the order to sell it. If the price gets to that point, Charles Schwab will sell it for us. So now we'll go back to the account again and scroll. And I like to put a reverse arrow on that price bar where we place the order to sell. The chart alone allows me to know where we bought that stock and where we sold it. So that is to the extent that I do a journal, for a narrative journal for our swing trades. I do the bookkeeping daily, but I don't write what I saw on the chart when I make purchases. I did it at the beginning of the year, but I noticed that I didn't go back to review those notes. Therefore, putting arrow on the charts, I found it more useful for me. When I put it at the bottom, that means I'm buying, and when I put it at the top, that means I'm selling. This particular one, if you remember, is why we place the order at the beginning of the day before the market open to purchase. And as you can see, that second, when we are placing the order at the beginning of the day before the market opens, that means we already have 1 green bar after a pullback from the previous day. So today is the second green bar for that COR stock. So I move the arrow underneath it. When I was placing the order, that today price bar was not there, so I put it on yesterday price bar, the last bar there. So I move it to today's bar. But it went up today, and today we already have $41 profit in it. But because I placed the order today, I don't want to sell it today. If the order have gone through yesterday and then today we have $41, then we could sell it. So this one is MMC, and MMC has so many days of green, and today we have a pullback there. But I'm going to place the order to sell it because I don't know what will happen tomorrow. I mean, the next day, the next time that the stock markets open again, it's not going to be tomorrow. And by the way, happy Thanksgiving to you all. But having 1, 2, 3, 4 consecutive green bar days, that means the price went up 4 consecutive days. Now we have a pullback, and we do have some profit there. It exceeded our $25 minimum profit per trade. We prefer to place the order to sell it. And we make sure we are selling all in the right account, and out of those 3 prices, we are going to go with the price it is currently selling, and which is $233.47 a share. And sometimes by the time you press the button to place the order, the price the stock is selling could change. It could go down or it could go higher. And you just have to click back button and to go back, or just continue pressing the green button to go forward and place the order. Now we continue to scroll down, and we have AT&T here. It is purchased for dividend income purposes, so therefore I'm leaving it there for now. But we have Visa, and Visa has a profit that exceeded our $25, but that was just one day green bar, the first day green bar after a pullback, but we purchased it 4 days prior to that, so therefore we decided to sell it. We are going to put the price it is selling currently, which is at that point was 88, but then it changed by the time it changed to 85, but we are going to keep it that way. Sometimes I go back and change the price to match the price that was there, but for some stock it can change very quickly. I don't know if you noticed it now is 91. When I put 88, it became 85. By the time I came back here to place the order to sell it, it was 91 cents. From 85 cents to 91 cents, and I put the order in with 88 cents on my order. So for some stocks, the price can change quite quickly in front of you. And I like to highlight those stocks that I'm placing the orders for, so that I do not buy them again if the order goes through. And as we continue to scroll down, I didn't see any other stocks in the account to sell. Now we'll move to the next phase, which will be to check our stock watch list for the stocks that we picked to trade, to swing trade today. And I just click on Walmart stock so that I can go through there to the screen where I can type, to the trade screen where I can tap those stocks. So now I'm going through the watch list looking for those. So the first one that we come across is DECK. So DECK pulled back yesterday, and we pick it so that if it start going up today, we will buy it. But as you can see, that bar of today is red. That means that stock is going down today. The price it opened in the morning, the markets open in the morning, is higher than the price at that current time when I was trading. So the price is going down, is represented on my chart by a red color, and the green means the price the markets open in the morning, it is lower than the price at that time frame when I start trading. That means the price continue to go up. That will be represented by a green price bar, and we are trading on a daily charts. Every single bar is 1 day price activities for that particular stock. So this one pull back as well, even though it's going up and hit a new high. In some way it pulled back because the price at that time was lower than the price the markets open in the morning. So the last one on our list is WSO, and WSO has the first green bar after yesterday pullback. We are going to place the order for it, and that is pretty much the extent of how I do my chart analysis and swing trade. We did our analysis before, and now we are going to quickly go through it. And for those particular stocks that we pick to trade, and we are going to either place the order to buy or not. And now we place all the orders. We may not know which one got processed and which one didn't until the end of the day after the market close. Is when I will go back inside the account, go to the transaction history to pull the daily transaction history out. So for this one, they is selling at 551.67, and that's what we pull through for 3 shares that we buy, and we place the order for it. And you can see at the left top side of Thinkorswim screen, it pop up in green message that it purchased it. When you place the order, if the order was processed while you are trading, you'll hear the signal from Thinkorswim, and if you are on that chart, you'll be able to see the message that stock sold for you. So this conclude how I place an order for to swing trade today. Thank you. I wish you all a happy Thanksgiving and happy holidays. Thank you very much for watching our videos. We thank you very much for your time. We thank you very much for all your comments, and we thank you very much you all that subscribe to our channel. I'm Afiavi Liberman, Cross of Liberman Consulting LLC YouTube channel, and in soap.com, our blog. On our channel and on our blog, we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence, where you do not depend on an employer to provide for your family. And swing trading is one way to make money outside of your job. Thank you.